Hey, g'day everyone. Today I will show you how to separate audio from a movie. So you might have a movie or a video clip, copyrighted or something, and you want to remove it. So you want to change it or use it on YouTube, or you don't get penalised straight after this. Hey, g'day, back again. This is how to extract and separate an audio file from a video in PowerDirector 16 or earlier. Earlier ones, 10, 12, 13. I suppose they're pretty similar. So anyway, I will go ahead and import the file. Documents, now I had one here where the young daughter was dancing and where is she? Actually, when you want to find something, you cannot find it, can you? There we go. One of our twins, little Zoey, sung and danced in front of the TV, and the song on TV was by Usher, the Crush song. Anyway, I'll import that, just an example anyway. Importing, so here it is. So just drop this down here, and we view entire movie. So this is it's only a short one, minute and 24 seconds. I'll just play that, and so you can see what it is. So this is on a movie maker prior to this. Actually, I'll just turn that up a bit so we can all hear. Speaker. Here we go again. So this one's alright, but if you're going to use it on YouTube like we did, on one of our other channels, personal channels, which is monetized, the video wasn't, so it's copyrighted anyway. There's a background.
Wow, my gosh.
Silly daughter, eh?
Agree, mag-show lugar ng tummy.
Anyway, alright, we'll just go ahead. So what we'll do, we'll separate these two. The video, which is on track 1, and audio on track 2. So we'll right click that, or we can edit audio. We'll right click that, and we'll hit link, unlink video and audio. So this will separate the video and the audio. As you can see, I'll just turn it down, pick it up. As you can see, it's separated. So what I can do, so if I remove that, all we have now is a video with no music, no audio. Anyway, I'll introduce another song, and this is just temporary, so I'll go to just this one, Angel. How long is that? 3 minutes, so that'll cover it. So this particular song is no copyright on it, so it's free to use as long as I put the description of the where I got it from, which I have shown it in another tutorial, and put a link to where the actual person that created this song. So it's I can use it as many times as I like, so YouTube won't penalise me for using it. And again, we can reduce that down again. I will cheat, taking it. I can take it to PowerDirector to fix it. I'm on as well, so I'll just move that out of the way. It's irrelevant. And I will fade it front and back. I drive it 20, 10 seconds, 10 seconds. There you go, so I'll hit apply and hit the back button. It'll take save yes, it'll take me straight back to PowerDirector. Straight back to PowerDirector. So here we have. Yeah, I can actually manipulate the original song and changing it and adding more beats or fading it. So, but yeah, I don't want to play with that. So you can see that's coming down. Alright, so what we do now is click those two, highlight those two with the left. Hold the left mouse down, right click, and I want to group the objects. So now these are permanently married. Permanently married, not to go anywhere. So anyway, so there you go. This was a tutorial on how to separate an audio from a video in PowerDirector Pro 2018. Alright, hope you liked it, and yeah, stay tuned for some more. Subscribe, like and comment, as you can see here. Thank you. Bye.